Hey crafty cuties, welcome back to Paper Terrace. I am really excited to share today's unboxing with you. This is a massive, amazing, and very exclusive junk journal kit from Madeline Diet Designs on Etsy. And I will put all of her information down below, the links for this. This is a very limited kit and it is huge. It consists of 3 different big packages here. So we're gonna unbox it and I can't wait. And also here she sent me like a little freebie, which she includes a lot of times with different orders. So I thought that was super cute. It's just a bunch of little cute doilies. So that was exciting. And then quickly, I just want to focus on this kit, but I thought I would just kind of also give you a little peek at, she has a new bundle. And so this, I'm not going to open this one up because we have so much to go through, but it looks like a really, really gorgeous piece of like quilted fabric. Love the florals. And then some alternating fabrics. And she's so good at curating packages like this. So I just wanted to give you a peek of that one. But like I said, we have so much to go through. And we're going to get started. I think we'll start with this one. I feel like this is kind of like a main piece here. So first of all, so cute how she packages everything. I think she only has 5 of these kits, something like that. So I'm already so appreciative and excited to be able to have my hands on one of them since they're very limited. Okay, look how cute this is. So first of all, we have this bag here. And isn't this image so cute? So my thought is, so this is like a whole bag here. And my thought is that you could make a journal with this kit and like store it in this bag if you wanted. I'm also honestly like thinking about how cute this would be for a journal cover. So like, I like it as the bag, but you know, sometimes I cut things apart and just go with it. And I could see myself. I'm wondering if you could take this off, maybe. I know I just ripped that because my thought process is just that this would be such a cute journal cover. Either way, it's cute and there's so much more to go through. I think we will get started with this one right here. So let's actually just go ahead, and has a nice cute collage card on the outside here. I had to put my camera up so high that I'm like standing on a chair. So first of all, you can get a good look at all the lovely things that are in here. I tried to turn on my second light so that we could see everything, but there will be a glare. So let's see here. Let's open this up right here. And I'm going to try to slide all this out. So I think we're just going to have to go through this little by little, maybe not open every part of it. So like these little packs I probably won't open. So here's like a little pack of buttons, trims, laces. It is pouring. You guys can probably hear that. So more doilies. Now this kit, like gosh, you can make so many things with it, honestly. Okay, this is kind of a fun one. She showed me, I forgot the name of these. Let's actually open this little bag up. Such a cute little quilted theme. Okay, well, first of all, we have some really large, pretty buttons. But these, and she specifically got all of these for this kit. Well, I can take out a few. I think they're called yo-yos, I'm pretty sure. And I'm not actually sure what the real use is, but I'm thinking that these could be such a cute little like embellishment. You could like make these into like a little flower or something. I'm not sure. I mean, you could do something really fun. So that is really fun. And you get quite a few of them. And then in here are also some vintage like button packs. Try to put all of that back in. And also you get some vintage stamps, postage stamps. So not only are you going to get like all the fabric and bases for journal making. You also get so many little embellishments, paper embellishments, material embellishments. Really pretty vintage laces. I think I have part of this in my stash already. A nice big piece of quilted fabric. This like reminds me of my mom because I grew up with her sewing and like quilting, and even my grandma actually. That's what it kind of reminds me of. Some yellows and browns. I loved these colors together a lot. Especially because, here, let me show you the bag real quick again. Like, super fun. And there, by the way, there's different, I believe you get to pick by either colors or maybe it's by this, but if you check out her listing, you'll see the options. 2 big squares of this. Vintage hanky. Ooh, this is fun. See, it's more like quilting pieces. I like this. So this is nice. If you wanted to do like a patchwork style journal, like you could just use these pieces and, you know, have it be rather easy. And there are quite a few different ones on here. Oh, I was looking at the backs maybe not. Anyways, yeah, that's fun. This could be super fun. Wow, look at this one. It's even like lined with batting. Very plush. Like this could be a journal cover, honestly. Okay, I'm just thinking of so many ideas right now. So quite a few different pieces. All right, now, like I said, I wanted to go through this kind of quick because there's so much. And now we're gonna go to the second bag. Again, packaged so nice with that pretty tag. She's very mindful of the packaging that she uses because you can always like use this in your journals or your stash. I find myself dispersing her kits into a variety of projects that I'm working on, typically. That's just what works best for me. But I also have always wanted, and I love the idea of using a full kit to make a journal. I have done that a few times, but like I said, I'm going to save this one for last. I typically use them just throughout my stash. Quilting pieces. Oh, okay. I forgot that there was. So, since I had that idea I just love this little image. Whoops. I'm trying to show it all to you, and it's very hard. But, so you could actually just use even this for a journal cover. I just love the cute little image. Nice, large piece of quilting fabric. Okay, another big pack of fabric and laces. I'm probably not going to unfold these, but I can tell that they are pretty large pieces. Whoops. Florals, this is a pretty one. Plaids, love the colors. Love the jean. I feel like that really kind of goes with this theme so well. Ooh, I want to get a better look at this orange one. That's really fun. Lace, and then some like embroidered white pieces there. I'm glad I turned my lights on because I feel like you can see the details so much better. A really large piece of wallpaper, or actually it looks like there's a few. Yep. These are nice bases for journals. Okay, and then now we get to get into, so this was like my favorite part of her Christmas kit. I think, yeah, it was the Christmas kit. She made this really fun folder, and it looks like there's also behind it, we'll get into this last because I'm most excited, there are some more pieces of wallpaper, so that's a really fun print. Wow, it is just pouring rain. Ooh, look at that. That is so fun. Quite a few different pieces here. Okay, so yes, most excited about this. So I'm gonna get a little closer. So she sewed on a pocket. I love this. Aunt Dinah's quilting party. I mean, it just goes with the theme so well. And then there is some vintage gift wrap in here. I think that's, yeah, I would say it's gift wrap. And then, yeah, so we have this nice big folder. Let me get that in. There we go. So we have music papers. And then you can see that everything just goes with the theme. You get a ton of different quilting pages. I'll try to keep this all in order for myself. Fun. There's even like images. I love that. These would be great junk journal pages for sure. And there's some like magazine pieces with quilts on them. Instruction guide booklets. We get some more wallpaper. Just all the variety of pages that you could just die for to have in your journals. This is like always my favorite part because this is what I'm using up so much of. Fun like instructional pages. Again, these are great junk journal pages, especially because they're black and white. I feel like you could get really creative with that. You could even cut these apart and use them as pockets. Actually, that would be really fun. Some cardstock to go along with it. And then we have all the fun, these are like my favorite pages here. So we have ledger papers, calendar pages, a variety of ledger papers, graph papers. Ooh, look at that. That's really cool. Okay. And it's so helpful to have this sewn folder because you can just keep everything all together while you're working on a project and then just put it away when you're all done. Ooh, she used some like washi tape. It's like quilted washi tape. That's fun. Okay, so this is already made into a little envelope. And then you get some extra little goodies in here. These are so fun, these little labels. Whoops, the glare. Cards that go along with the whole theme. You even get your own little piece of this quilted looking washi tape that will be perfect for it. Some embellishments. I love these labels. And I think this is the last of it. So then some vintage quilting like pages. I am so excited. I love this kit so much. I feel like she totally outdid herself in this one, and I just can't wait to do something with it when I have time. But this, I just keep looking at this, and I just want this to be a journal cover. Oh, I'm gonna have to decide what to do. Anyways, let me know what you guys think about the kit. Like I said, I'll have all of the links below. Check out her YouTube channel, because even if you just like to get inspiration for junk journaling, she has that on her channel. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you guys have a great day, and I will see you so soon. Bye.